I'm cooking chicken soup. There was frozen chicken. I cut it, I washed and left in the freezer. So it's still frozen. So I just add water. This is a onion, whole piyaz, one medium piyaz. This is a green onion next to that, and cilantro, hara dhania. Is right here. So then a frozen chicken. I left already cooking like more than 10 minutes. It should be start separating here. Now it's separate. So this is for soup. So also that goes, the whole chicken. So it came with that also. So now I'm going to add it right here. Few things. This is a pink salt right here. I'm going to add it. So here's a garlic, few garlic. The 5 clover I cut it in 2 or 3, 4 pieces. Depend how big was. The potato, aloo, gajar, carrots, and ginger. This is bite size actually. So it feels like when eating soup, it feels like a crunchy little bit with the ginger. So, right here. I peeled squash right here. It's not easy to peel with the knife or so I use that peeler, which is a China made. It used to be dollar actually, not anymore. Maybe $3-4 now, because after pandemic things went up. So it's not also shipment is a problem too. So here I'm going to do it's a kind of a soya, but it's for soup. So I'm going to add this one right here and let it cook. It will be very fluffy and like a 15-20 minutes it will fully cook this one. So I'm going to add a little bit more water. And then I'm going to check it in squash. I'm going to add like a 5 to 10 minutes after, because I get tender very fast. So then I'm going to check salt, and soup will be ready. Then I'm going to use a lemon top of that, and possible little bit white rice next to that if needed. Otherwise soup is a complete food actually. So soup needed more like a bony with bones a little bit, so it will give a good taste. 15 to 20 minutes, that should be ready. Or after 5 to 7 minutes, I'm going to add the squash, and then I will check it. If I need to add a little bit more water, I will add it. I check its salt also. Other than this, few things, any seasonal vegetable can be used in soup. Easy to cook actually. It does not need much technical skill to cook soup. Chicken soup or vegetable soup or any other soup. It's very fast cooking.